Okay, so on this page we're going to talk about perimeter. And perimeter is the distance around a shape. So on my square here, you can see that each side is 5 centimeters. So when we figure out perimeter, all we need to do is add the sides together. So this would be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 4 numbers. 5, 10, 15, 20. So the number part is 20, but I'm not done. I have to look at what I'm measuring in, and I'm measuring these in centimeters. So then the answer is actually 20 centimeters. If our numbers were different, and let's say we had a 4, and a 4, and a 6, and a 6, then we would still add all 4 sides. 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. And I know that equals 20. And again, I have to put my label, centimeters. Sometimes it'll be inches, sometimes it might be centimeters. Just always look for your label.